Welcome to Lab 2.615. Our goal is to identify why Office 1 computer is not connecting to the network or internet and fix it. Let's begin by checking connectivity using the ping command. Right-click the Start menu and select Terminal, that is admin, to open PowerShell. Now ping the following IP address one by one. So start with the COP server IP address. That is 192. So you write ping 192.168.0.10. So in case you're wondering where I'm getting that number, check on the instructions. You've been given the ping for Office 2 regarding the COP server IP address. So once you've done it, you realize that it is failing. Then let's attempt the ping for the Office 2 IP address, which is 192.168.0.33. And then you realize that also this ping is failing. Still, go ahead and diagnose for the IT admin IP address and ping 192.168.0.33. What do you realize? That also this ping is failing. At this point, we have our first clue that all the ping attempts have failed. So we can go ahead and diagnose other areas. So when your ping failed, it typically means that your device was unable to reach the target host. That is another computer, a server, or a website over the network. This indicates network connectivity issues, DNS resolution failure, issues with the firewall security settings, routing problems, or even incorrect IP. So let's check if it's an internet connectivity issue. So to confirm this, we see the network status visually. So you right click on Start and then go to Settings, then to Network and Internet. So this diagram will show you if it is connected to the internet or not. So ladies and gentlemen, the network and internet is not connected. So it's also a network connectivity issue. So maybe we go to the next step and inspect the physical NIC port. So now let's check the back of the Office 1 computer. Then click Office 1 in the top left, then select back to have the rear view panel. So once you have that, the Ethernet cable is plugged into the wall, but not in the computer NIC. So this likely happened when the user added speakers and accidentally unplugged the cable. So we fixed that. Then I think we are good to go. We have diagnosed one of the issue. So we are ready to solve this issue again. So fix the cable. Yeah, the network activity lights for all the networking should be seen. Good. So far, so good. So we can verify network connectivity. So we confirm whether everything is working. So we go to Office 1 monitor, click on to view Windows 11. So you go to Setting, Network and Internet again. And now the diagram shows that they connected both with the network and internet success. Okay, you can also try pinging the same IPs again. And at this point, I think you should succeed now. So we have successfully diagnosed and resolved our physical connectivity issues. Remember, always check both the software and the hardware when troubleshooting network connectivity. So what we have done, the network and internet setting is working. We're going to ping again the same IP addresses to see if they are working and if they are successful. And now we start with the COP server IP address, which is 192.168.0 dot 0.33. Then we ping the IP address for the office too, which is 192.168.0.31. Then finally, we ping that one for IT admin, and indeed, we are successful.